Good morning. You are a badass every day. Every single day. Don't you forget it. I have this book here on my desk and I look at it every single morning to remind myself. Today's first feeling is hot chocolate mixed with caramel flavored coffee. I'm going to try to stop using the sugar-free creamer and see if that helps me. So this is just a cup of hot chocolate by Optavia with caramel flavored coffee. I will see you at fueling number 2. All right, so we are at the next fueling, number 2, and we are at 3 hours later. This is the peanut butter crunch bar, and as you can see, it's loaded with peanut butter on the top, on the sides, on the bottom. And look how nice and thick this is. It's a really, really good fueling. If you've never had it, I highly suggest it. You can keep it in the refrigerator for a little while, put it in the freezer. It's such a versatile fueling because it's got the peanut butter. And we all love that. You know, we all love peanut butter, right? All right, we'll see you at the next fueling, guys. All right, who's in the mood for chili? That would be me because it is raining and cold and yucky outside. So I made myself the chili fueling. It's awesome, guys. It has red beans. It has the meat. It has some jalapeno. Looks like there's some carrots. Look at that. Look at this. It's so delicious. And if you want to use a little bit of a condiment, you can add some sour cream. You can add a little bit of cheese. But this is the next fueling, and it was good. And on to lean and green. Here we go. We have 3 servings of cauliflower rice, 1 serving of 96% lean ground beef from Trader Joe's. We have 1.5 ounces of avocado and a little bit of sugar-free ketchup for the condiment. This is one of my, I say this every time, but it's one of my favorites. It's filling, it's good. The meat today, the ground beef on a rainy, cold day. I don't know. This is just like comfort food to me. And it's delicious and filling. And I am staying 100% on program today, guys. I'm proud of myself. Thank you all for your support in that last video. I'll see you at the next fueling. And here we are at the 5th fueling, or the 5th time of eating today. Here's my desk. This is where I sat all day long doing my work. It was a crazy day. But it's now time for a chocolate shake. This is the creamy chocolate shake, lots of ice, water, and 1 tablespoon of PB2. As I guess you can call it either a condiment, and if I decide to have one more later, that would be an optional snack. But 1 tablespoon in this nice thick glass of chocolate shake. It's delicious. And I just want to show you again the desk. This is like such an important part of staying focused in my mind. Having clean space. When I'm done with work at the end of the day, I close my laptop, I put all my patient's charts in that little folder, I put my phone on top of my pad, and I have a clean work environment. That is crucial, guys, for someone like myself. I have to stay neat and tidy in order to have a good frame of mind. So chocolate shake going down, and I will see you at the last fueling, guys. Guys, so we are officially at the last fueling of the day, and I made myself a nice hot cup of apple cinnamon oatmeal, and I did put 1 tablespoon of sugar-free Walden Farms pancake syrup in there. And I just want to show you this little purple light bulb that I have in this lamp, which sets the mood for me at night winding down. Again, with the hot, warm, however you want to eat it, apple cinnamon oatmeal. This is like a new favorite of mine. I love this. I absolutely do. I used to not really be a big fan of the oatmeal, but I don't know. It's just so good and I enjoy it. So anyway, guys, that's a day on the 5-in-1. Thanks for sticking around. Mr. Sloth Cup says hello. And he wants me to remind you that we can do this. Yes, we can, as long as we do it together. And I will see you in my next video. Have a wonderful evening. Stay safe, everybody.